Lucy, say hi. Hi everybody. Hi guys. बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो पा रहा है फिर से 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's that I wanted to shoot this kind of video from very long, but the schedule of mine is not allowing me. मेरा काम like work life and my content creation life, all everything is messed up. क्योंकि वो एनर्जी नहीं आ रही है फॉर मी टू शूट शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट वीडियोस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. बहुत दर्द हो रहा है मेरे सर आंखों में. आई हैव बीन वर्किंग फ्रॉम 2-3 months कंटिन्यूसली विदाउट एनी वीकडे वीकेंड ऑफ बिकॉज इट्स अ टफ पीरियड फॉर द वर्क आई डू. ओके, टू start with, I have just now washed my face. I'll start with my skincare and then we'll continue with the vlog. So in this vlog, I'll be showing you what I shopped for this month, like how much money I've actually spent on myself, like on clothes. To start with my skincare, I'll start with this Rice Ceramide Toner. ये मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरनेट इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स आई वांटेड टू ट्राई इट एंड इट्स नाइस. आई हैव अ ड्राई स्किन, इट वर्क्स वेल. द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई यूज इज माय पिटारा, लाइक स्किन केयर पिटारा, नो मेकअप पिटारा. दिस इट इज़ अ विटामिन सी सीरम. मेरी बॉटल टूट गई थी, लाइक इट वाज अ स्मॉल कांच की बॉटल, सो आई ट्रांसफर इट टू द अदर बॉटल आई हैड. लाइक आफ्टर क्लीनिंग इट आई हैव अ गुड अमाउंट टू अप्लाई. काफ़ी यूसेज होता है सीरम्स और क्रीम्स का मेरे फेस पे. द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई यूज इज अ सनस्क्रीन La Sheet. It's very nice and this is VLCC. I got in a PR. It's good. It works for me. Like it is oily. क्योंकि मेरी स्किन ड्राई है तो this works well. But this is very nice. Like it has kind of a थोड़ा सा white cast and it's very soft, but it is good. And the last thing is a lip balm. This is my doggy Chin. I'll show you. Chin, Pichu, Lucy. देखो तुम्हें सब लोग देखना चाहते हैं बाबू. आ जाओ दिखा दो. This is Lucy. Lucy is like my sister. Lucy, say hi. Hi everybody. मैं थोड़ी शर्मीली हूँ, तो शर्म आती है. Okay. So my skin is all done. I am all ready to show you what I got. पहले मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. बॉक्सेस हैं यहाँ पे टोटल और मेरी पार्सल्स. आई हैव वन दिस सवाना. आई हैव स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑन दिस. अभी तो मैंने पहना नहीं है बिकॉज मैंने सोचा था कि मैं पक्का जब तक वीडियो नहीं बनाऊंगी मैं अनपैक एज इन देख लूंगी, बट नथिंग. आई वांटेड टू शूट इंस्टाग्राम वीडियो बट नहीं हो पा रहा है. और दिस फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड रूमर्स. भाई बहुत क्लेश हुआ है बट स्टिल अभी मुझे इसमें से एक चीज़ रिटर्न करनी है. लेट्स सी वो करते हैं. मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम नायका, some, but I've spent a lot. This is a steal deal. I got it from Amazon. मैंने बहुत रिसर्च करी थी. I'll show you what is in this. From Myntra. It's a cute skirt. Like you guys must have seen at least skirts like with that pleated one. इसको मैंने पहना नहीं क्योंकि मुझे पहले इसका वीडियो बनाऊंगी क्योंकि फिर ये पुरानी दिखने लगी. These two are a PR. वैसे तो I had others but I have not included that क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक ये पहना नहीं है. So I want to show you these two are Farshi salwar sets from a brand. I'll tell you later. Like I'll even post a reel. I've not shooted yet. Maybe I'll shoot tomorrow. I love Farshi salwar. Abhi filhal ke liye it's in my mind. I feel that I'm a thin, tall girl. Maybe I'm not thin, but yeah, tall. So this actually makes me feel like makes my body looks good. So these two. Also some kurti. पर ये मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगी. पता नहीं मैं कभी पहनूंगी. Okay, so let's start with the Savannah thing and we'll even calculate together कि कितना मैंने महीने में कपड़ों पे खर्च किया जो कि मैंने अभी तक पहने नहीं है. ये पूरा मंथ खत्म हो चुका. मैंने अनपैक भी नहीं करा, अनरैप भी नहीं. So the first is this top. This top I got for something 800 or something. थोड़ा सा I've seen on Instagram but I don't think so it will look good on me. Most probably I'll wear it as a night wear, like as a night suit. Maybe. मेरा मन बहुत था that I'll wear this outside, but I don't think so I'm comfortable and it doesn't look that good
Like it is of 800 something, but I feel like थोड़ा महंगा है. मुझे exchange करना चाहिए था, but तब मेरा दिमाग नहीं चल रहा था क्योंकि I had a lot of work. Thing I've got 2 scarves. Got one of leopard print dots, and the length, and width of this is much better than the first one. The price is approximately same. See the length and it's cool. It's cool. I can wear this as a scarf. I don't know how will I look even. लूशी, ये अच्छा लग रहा है क्या मेरे ऊपर? देखो. Yes, she approved. It looks good. नहीं बिल्कुल भी. I can't wear it like that. I think I have a broad this क्या बोलते हैं माथा. It doesn't look good वैसा. This was also around 200ish something. Other top. Okay, I'll tell you. If you know what are peplum tops, I feel like for the girls who have a little tummy, if not tummy, then if you want to look thoda sa corporate, like you can wear it in corporate, you can wear it in offices, you can wear it at lunches, dinners, or even if you go out randomly. मुझे लगता है बहुत ही प्यारे लगते हैं. So I've got one top of this color. Peplum fit is something that is curved from below. I feel this will look good. This was of something 700, I feel. This color combination, I like brown, and recently I think summers I like blue as well. This will look cute with shorts or jeans. I like it. This was also something 500, 600 something. That's the reason I got it. But eventually I thought कि oversize fit होगा, but मुझे लगता नहीं, एक normal fit है एकदम. Next thing is again a peplum. My favorite, one of the favorite color, of course, brown. It looks so good when I wear it. Of course, I'll wear it and post it on Instagram. मैं यहाँ पे नहीं post करूँगी. But this was so good. Like it was around 600-700 only. Like same. The one वो blue वाला जैसा वैसा ही था. You know what I do? I don't know about you, but I buy clothes thinking of future. कि अगर मैं वहाँ गई और मेरे पास तब पैसे नहीं हुए या मुझे तब नहीं मिला तो मैं कैसे लूँगी? इसलिए अभी ले लेती हूँ. ये एक crochet top cap है, mushroom cap or whatever cap. But this will look good when I go for beaches and I'll sit and I'll click some good pictures. It will look. I am too sure. Next thing is one more top. This is the top. I like it. Checks. I like checks. I like sleeveless tops, and this is too cute to wear with like shorts, denim shorts or a denim jeans. 700. Oh god, it's a lot. अब मुझे लग रहा है my video will be too long. It's this purse. It's a basic black bag with this. I like the जो बोलते हैं इसको belt. 100%, 500 something. I got these. These were about 90 something. These are the 2 clips. It looks cute. मैं इसे लगा ही लेती हूँ. Cute. Something from Savannah. How can I forget? Sunglasses. I love Savannah sunglasses. I had black. This is brown color. It looks cool. I look cool after wearing. Because this is a bit different from the one which I got. This also looks pretty cool on me. I thought कि मुझे कुछ shoot करना हुआ तो. This is basic. I look like a nerd. मतलब a cute nerd. This package overall costed me 6,228. Let's start with fashionable too. The girlies who are a bit athletic or who like to go play some sport or maybe gym as a hobby, get this. This is a skirt. It is too cute, and the most important thing is that it has shorts inside. So of course you can wear it with anything. Like you can wear it with a jersey, you can wear it with tops like the way I'm wearing right now. This so this costed me around, how much was it of? 1,600. No. Yeah, something like 1,200-1,400. These 2 Nykaa parcels. Yeah. वैसे मैं मेकअप इतना मंगा नहीं रही हूँ आजकल, but क्यों नहीं मंगा सकती? So the first product I got is this Prosh Beauty juicy jelly tint. Packaging looks superb, but I think around 600. मुझे I didn't find that worth it. एंड इसकी पैकेजिंग बहुत ही ख़राब सी है, बट ऑफ कोर्स मैं रिटर्न नहीं कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि बहुत टाइम हो गया है. बट आई डोंट नो इसमें से बाहर क्यों निकल रहा है. लुक क्यूट. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट विच आई गॉट इज दिस वायरल डॉट एंड कीका मिल्टी लिप बाम ऑफ पिंक कलर. दिस इज वेरी वेरी गुड. लाइक आई like it does not give you a lot of pink. It is kind of Vaseline. ऐसे इसमें this has SPF 50. It's very nice. This I have a collection, but मैं भूल जाऊंगी कहीं पे ये रख के भूल जाऊंगी 100%. Third thing I got is this. Okay, so this was of something 249 rupees. 249 rupees of color corrector. I have inside का color corrector palette. But I feel I have a dry skin और मेरे dark circles हैं. If I put that color corrector, मेरे में ना बहुत patches, creasy हो जाता है. I feel this is a liquid color corrector. This will work well. It can absorb and then I can apply maybe a concealer or something. So this was a good deal. I got it for 245. Not that good. I got this lip liner. I've got this L'Oreal Infallible tinted serum. की पैकेजिंग इतनी सुपर्ब नहीं है. वन थिंग आई डोंट नो दैट कि सबको इसमें से थोड़ी स्मेल आती है या मुझे आ रही है. लाइक आई यूज सम अदर, इट्स लैक्मे, इट स्मेल्स गुड, बट ये लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. लाइक इट्स नाइस. ये इट गेट्स एब्जॉर्ब्ड वेरी फास्ट. मतलब डेली यूज के लिए इट्स नाइस एंड इट्स थोड़ा सा ऑयली, तो मेरी स्किन के लिए तो बढ़िया है. एंड इट वॉज ऑफ अराउंड समथिंग 800, 750 with after discount. वैसे तो it is of 999. Liner from Miss Swiss Beauty. I got this is a eyelash curler. मेरा बहुत मन था. मेरी eyelashes बहुत ही कम है, मतलब medium. तो मैंने कभी use नहीं किया है. Let's see how it works. But it's nice. It has a rubber. The color is rose gold. I like it. Or pink maybe. 155. Good deal. This is a brow palette. It's very never done my brows, like never कुछ भी नहीं करवाया इधर. तो फिर I just fill up थोड़ा सा. I have a palette. उसका ना ट्रांसपेरेंट पट्टा है जो भी है ये, and वो ब्रेक हो गया है. तो I wanted something that is very small and that I can fit anywhere और जो टूटेगा नहीं. थोड़ा strong चाहिए था, ऐसा प्लास्टिक नहीं चाहिए था. It's a good plastic. This was of around 300. This tiny thing was of 300. कहाँ से मैंने कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहे थे पैसे खर्च करने का. Okay, so this total parcel was of around 2600. 2600. Long story short, I've been looking for fitted t-shirts like जो यहाँ तक होता है और जिनका नेक ऐसा गोल होता है. I have searched on H&M, stock out. I've searched on Bershka, stocked out. I've searched on Athleisure brands जिन पे थोड़ा अच्छा मिलता है, stocked out. जो कलर्स अवेलेबल है मुझे चाहिए नहीं. साइज M अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो थोड़ा मैंने रिसर्च किया है, इधर उधर देखा. आई एम गुड इन डूइंग दैट. कपड़ों के मामले में मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. तो मैंने Amazon पे देखा. I've seen the reviews, 4.3 stars. लोगों के रिव्यूज पढ़े थे. It was good. And I said, let me order. And this is the t-shirt. Pink color. You know what is the? It's good. Whatever you wear inside, ऐसा कुछ झलकेगा नहीं. White color looks good. One of this costed me around 400 something. So it's not a bad deal. आप कहीं बाहर से when I buy ना, I got these kind of things from H&M. 700, 800, 900. उस हिसाब से these are very good, like really good. So these costed me around 800 plus 800, 1800 something. Yes, these two. There's a brand. It's an Instagram brand name as Rumors, and they provide good high-waisted trousers. I bought one in black. This was so good. But ये बहुत ही struggle कर मुझे. पहले उन्होंने मुझे गलत पार्सल भेजा, फिर उन्होंने वो रिटर्न नहीं किया. फिर मैंने कैसे भी किच करके रिटर्न करवाया. मुझे फाइनली आया. मैंने जीन्स भी ऑर्डर करी थी जस्ट टू ट्राई कि लेंथ कितनी है. लेंथ वॉज गुड, बट ये जीन्स भी गलत भेजी है. नाउ आई गॉड नोज आई विल अगेन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑन मंडे. So this overall costed me around 2,800. Yes. Next are these two suits. These are PR. ये मैं पहनूंगी तभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. Some things you go and see my Instagram. Maybe I'll post this week. तब तक I'll post the YouTube as well. So check out my Instagram and I'll post it. These are too cute. I'm telling you. That was it for the shopping haul. I think overall I spent around. I'm not good in calculations, even though I work in tax. पर मुझे plus थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. 13,000 something 586 on clothes जो कि मैंने अभी तक पहने नहीं. Now you tell me whether you do the same thing. मतलब क्या आप भी ये करते हो? Maybe I feel सबके शौक अलग होते हैं. People spend on food. I spend on food. If I check my history, I don't know. I need to work. I need to work out or something. It's not. See my face. It is going gold day by day. But let's do it. Yeah. So I hope I'll be more active and there are a lot of new concepts, surprises that I feel I'll post. मुझे पता है I am not that big कि सब देख रहे हैं, but whoever is seeing this, मुझे क्लिप लगा के क्यूट फील हो रहा है. Nice. This was it. Like I feel you guys can comment down if you like my haul. If not, no problem. I'll buy something else maybe that you like. If that also you don't, just watch my video. And I am really excited for the upcoming days. I hope that I work more harder, be more active, and yeah, spend a little less so that I can save for my future. So bye. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.